Welcome to our audio overview for the Wyecliff Weekly. Today, we're diving into edition 23, looking at major developments in artificial intelligence and what they mean for your work and your life.
That's right. This edition covers how AI is shifting from a nice to have into a baseline requirement. We'll go over the most pressing stories, including a new training mandate in the U.S. Marine Corps, business trends, talent challenges, and practical ways to integrate AI more smoothly into daily routines.
The Wyecliff Weekly aims to keep listeners updated on what's happening in the AI world, focusing on actionable impacts and practical advice. Let's get started. The biggest headline this week is the U.S. Marine Corps ordering every Marine, active duty and reserve, to complete a basic AI course by the end of the year. This includes learning about generative AI, military applications, and responsible usage.
So, AI literacy isn't just for tech companies anymore. 250,000 young Americans now need to be proficient in AI, and even private corporations are lagging compared to this mandate.
Precisely. This signals a shift where AI fluency is becoming a baseline skill across sectors. Now, turning to business, Anthropic's Claude has overtaken OpenAI's ChatGPT as the most widely paid for AI in American companies. Claude Code, their AI coding tool, is driving rapid adoption.
Interesting. With Claude at 34.4% business adoption and ChatGPT at 32.3%, companies buying AI for the first time now see Claude as a credible option. Do you think firms currently using only ChatGPT should revisit that strategy?
Absolutely, especially considering product growth and market dynamics. Now, another major story comes from Gartner. Their forecast says that by 2027, half of businesses without a real AI strategy will lose their top AI talent to competitors. Data shows even people issued corporate AI accounts still use personal tools for higher efficiency.
That's central. The most productive AI users are often managers using both company and personal tools, creating both talent and data risks if there's no comprehensive strategy.
Correct. Gartner recommends strong collaboration between IT and HR. Simply buying AI tools isn't enough. Companies must train and govern their teams effectively, covering which tools people actually use and making sure no one is left behind.
Stepping back, these developments all point to AI becoming essential. Institutions from the Marines to small businesses are formalizing AI literacy and closing the gap between early and late adopters.
That's important for anyone aiming to future-proof their own skills. A rhetorical question for our listeners. Are you ready to build your AI fluency before it's mandated? The gap will only widen for those who postpone learning.
Moving to practical advice, every major AI platform now offers voice mode. You can talk to Claude, ChatGPT, or Microsoft Copilot and get spoken responses and live transcripts, making multitasking and using AI on the go much easier.
For Claude, open any chat and tap the sound wave icon. Choose a voice, start talking, and Claude will reply out loud and transcribe the session. ChatGPT and Copilot offer similar features, including voice options and interaction across devices.
It's a great time to experiment with voice mode. Try starting your day by talking through your priorities with an AI, then let it analyze which task is highest leverage and what questions to consider next.
To recap, we've seen AI become non-optional in both work and the military, companies making critical choices on adoption and talent risks for those without robust strategies. Now's the moment to actively build your own AI literacy.
We encourage listeners to try using voice mode as a small step this week. Thanks for joining us for this overview. Stay tuned for clear, actionable AI insights from Wyecliff Weekly.